Hey guys, how are we? Guess what? Yes, we finally did miss a day. So I missed yesterday's. Now, I apologize. I was really hoping to keep to every single day this month, but I have got a rent inspection that's happening today. So, I really thought about it and I really had to put a little bit of extra work into the house yesterday. And so we are doing 2 days today. I don't even know what the date is. I think we're on 20 and 21. So 20 yesterday, 21 today, I think. Anyway, I know what they are. They are the side kick and teaser. And look, you know what? As long as you have comfortable clothing, you can do Pilates in anything. So here I am. I've rocked up before I am heading into work because my rent inspection is in the afternoon. And as long as you can move, you can do Pilates. You can. All right, we're gonna hit it up with the side kick. So, there's multiple layers of side kick. So you can be on your elbow and then we kicking, okay? But the OG way is to be on your hand and then you take your hip up, lift your leg, and you point the toe, flex the foot to come back. Point the toe to come forward, flex the toe to come back. Point, flex. Now you're not rocking through the top body. I'm definitely going to do the other side because I've only come here to do these videos this morning. So we're up. So I might show you the lower level on the down. So the down, if you can't lift your body weight, is you've got to make sure you have your good A-frame, and it's the same with the leg. It's hip height if you can get it there. It's a point to come out. It's a flex to come back. It's a point and a flex. Point, flex. And then I'll show that again on the upper level. You come up to your kneeling, you lean, you place your hand, and you still have that good A-frame, right? Then you take your body up in a line, try and be hip height, point, flex. I just want my body to be same. One more. Flex. I'm trying not to rock through the top body. So that is the side kick. And the next one is teaser. Oh, when you're not warmed up, this can be a little bit tricky. So I would do a lot of warming up. I would do roll-ups, the shoulder roll backs, a little bit of lifting the leg. So a little bit of lifting the leg as well. Let's see how we go without being warmed up. I like to break it down into 2 movements. Some people will be, you raise your legs first. I'm gonna raise your top body, then raise your legs. And then if you're able, you do it all at the same time. So what we do is we go hands to the ceiling, coming into the shoulder roll. And then I get people to come up onto the soft part of their butt, and then we lift. This is teaser. And then we lower. Up, up. And then if you're able, do it together. It wasn't too bad without being warmed up. And up. And I'm only going to do one more. And that's teaser. And hopefully for the rest of the month I get to give these to you on the day. But we've done well to get up to this point for me to have to chuck in just one double. And I hope you have been enjoying it. And I hope you missed it yesterday. I hope you were like, where has Cass been today? We have not had much madness and it's not April yet. Did you? Did you miss me? If you're on any of the socials, chuck a comment in and say, yes, I did, or no, didn't even realize you're doing it. Anyway,